Hello progressives, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea. I know it's been a while since I posted, about 2 weeks. The first week I was sick. The second week I had an allergic reaction. So I'm back 3 weeks later. So as you can tell, this video is really about the Ivy Park collection, and I also have like a mini unboxing at the end. I just wanted to come on here and talk about my experience as a plus size girl, trying on the clothes. It was probably the most stressful shopping experience that I've had online, but I'm going to get into the details of all that. So before I go too far, I'm just going to say, if you're new here, welcome. My channel is about personal growth, personal finance, luxury travel, and all things luxury. So if you like what you see in this video and my other videos, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and let's just get it popping and talk about it. So everyone knows this Ivy Park thing happened 2 weeks ago, so I'm a bit late, but I thought I would give my opinion as a plus size girl on the whole collection. Now, what I'm gonna say about the entire collection: I bought 3 pieces and I got the socks. It was literally like, the only thing I was able to get on the 17th, the day before the day that had been announced, the 18th, was the socks and the one other item that I'm going to show in a minute. It was a skirt, and it was like they tried to make us do like these capture things to make sure we're not robots trying to buy these things. It was stressful. Every time I would enter my card, it would decline it, and I'm like, but why? And it would either be because the item is sold out or I messed up on the card number. It was just chaotic. It was very stressful. And so out of that first shopping experience, I only got one thing. The next day, 2 things, sorry. The next day I was more prepared. I knew what I wanted, because I think when the came out initially, I wasn't really sure what I wanted, so I wasn't focused. So the next day I got the pants I wanted and this lovely top that I'm wearing. So that I got those both from Foot Locker, and I literally had my card saved. I knew what the last 3 digits of the back 3 digits of my card were. I put in my card. I had to buy it within like 3 minutes of, the store opening for online, because I don't have an Adidas close to me. I live in Dallas, but there's no Adidas. It's just Adidas outlets, which is weird. But basically, I ended up with 4 items. I can honestly say my current size right now is like a size 22 women's, and I'm not the size I want to be right now. It's a constant thing I'm working on, but I was kind of disappointed with the amount of complaints people were making about the clothing not fitting. Sorry, I don't know what I have in my eye. Woo! Okay. As a size 22 woman, lady, whatever, I don't know. I'm just in a weird stage in my life. I don't know what to call myself. The only thing I could fit is this outfit that I have on right now. So I bought 3 items, right? 4. Oh, I actually bought a 5th item, which I actually had to get from eBay for like twice the price, but we'll get into that. I was kind of disappointed by the amount of complaints people were making regarding the lack of sizing. Now, as a black woman, I was kind of disappointed that most of the complaints were coming from black women. I think it's hard enough being a woman who's very successful, being black on top of that, and for us to be bashing each other instead of celebrating this moment. I get it. I don't even fit, 4 out of 5 items. Well, 3 out of the 5 items I bought. but I was still very proud of what she achieved. I mean, this is a huge collaboration. She's a black woman. She's been working all her life. She's achieved something huge. And guys, this is like the first collection. She will get your feedback. She'll do better the next time. There were still pieces that most people would be able to fit, even in the plus size category. It's just, it's just her first collection. And I'm not making excuses for her, but I just thought it was not a good time for us to be criticizing another woman, another black woman, instead of celebrating what she has achieved. So my personal opinion is I love the collection. Am I excited that it didn't fit 3 out of the 5 items? No, but I'm working on my weight and I know I'll fit it eventually, so I kind of wasn't too worried about that. But let's just lift each other up, you know. Nobody gets something perfect the first time. I know this is not her first time releasing Ivy Park. She didn't do as well as maybe she wanted initially. She pulled it. She's redone it. She did it with Adidas. She has said on her website that, on the Ivy Park website, that this is going to be a continuous relationship and this is the first collection. So let's just be patient, ladies. The plus size items will come out, and in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this sweater. I'm just going to show it real quick. It is beautiful. Okay. It is beautiful. Okay. So, it's kind of weird though, because, I don't know, I have to be strategic about how I wear my makeup with this one, but I'm so afraid to like stain it, you know? But anyway, I digress. Let's get into the 5 items I got. The first item that I saw and I really wanted, and I was like, I don't care if it doesn't fit right now, I'm gonna make it happen, were these pants. I was gonna try to do like a whole try on haul on camera, but honey, it does not fit. I could not get it past my thighs. I just thought I would save y'all that look. So it's these specific pants. Just trying to make sure I don't have makeup. The white of these is not really white. It's more like a cream, right? That doesn't translate too clearly on camera, but in person it is gorgeous. But it's basically these snap pants. I'm sure you guys have seen them already a couple of times in other videos. So I got the extra large size, but that didn't fit me. I think on here it has labeling off what the size translation. It's a UK 22, which UK sizes are 4 sizes above, so it'll be 4 sizes above what the US sizes are. Wow, that's so dry. Okay. So that would make this a size 18. Yeah, size 18 US. And like I said, I am a 22 US currently, but I am obsessed with these. I could not get them past my thighs, but when I do, honey, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be a look. It's gonna be an entire look. I just love how thick the fabric is. It is fabulous. It is beautiful. The next item I got was the skirt. This is an extra large as well. Oh. The skirt. It is beautiful. Such thick fabric. It's a bit square than I normally would and a bit shorter, but I did get another item that will pair well with this. I think this whole collection had a lot of different ways you could like customize it to the way you want. Like here we have like the, what's it called? The snap buttons, where you could either wear it completely, you know, completely snapped on, or you could, you know, have a little thigh action, you know, or take it all off except for the last button. I don't know, sis, like, what do you want to get into? The next item I got were these, and these cycling shorts are basically, these are a size large, and since a large translates to a UK 18, which is basically a US 14, And honey, I'm not a 14 as of right now. I can't get these past my thighs either, but I think they'll be really cute with the skirt, you know, like underneath. Like if you're not really comfortable, with like having all your legs out, you can have this to kind of buffer that. And you could also take off part of these buttons to reveal, you know, the sheer sided shorts. So there you have it. The last item I got were these socks. I wanted these ones and the colored I wanted these and the other maroon ones that she wore like over the heels, but those sold out so quick I didn't even get around to it. But I got these the first day. They were still left over hours later and I was able to get them. So here you go. They're all really cute. They have like Ivy Park, and then they have just like the stripes in here, and then here's like the black and white. The reason I got these is because I do already own some other Ivy Park pieces from her previous like debuts, and those items are black and white as well. If I could find them. Those items are black and white as well, so I think those socks will go really well with those other pieces I have. Let me see if I can find them. The other Ivy Park pieces that I have that will go well with those black and white socks are these. Okay, I have like a crop top item here, which I am obsessed with. I usually wear these with like a bodysuit on the inside, and then wear it with like either black or white pants. And then I have this as well. So honey, me and my black, like this took me so long to get back in February because I didn't realize that she had released her line and then like pulled a lot of it. So like there were just bits and pieces of stuff everywhere, and I really wanted this item and I got it and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute, right? Ivy Park all the way across. So I'm wearing one of these items in the picture up here. So yeah, that's my general, that's what I was able to like get from the Ivy Park collection, and I love it all. So okay, now for the last item, which is a quick unboxing of something I was able to snag from the YSL sale. So I was able to snag one item from the YSL sale that I'm super excited about. I haven't worn it yet because it's still kind of been cold here in Dallas, Texas. But I'm just going to show y'all real quick how it comes. So here it is. So here's the box item. So this item is regularly $5.50-ish. And so I was able to get it for like $300, right? Including tax. It's usually $5.50 before tax, and I was able to get it for $300. So here it is. It is wrapped in this beautiful, it's in this beautiful box. I don't know if you can kind of tell what it is already, but it is cute, and it's gonna have me looking cute for the summer. Go. Got Saint Laurent on the box, the usual textured ribbon, and then I've already opened this, to be honest, but like I said, I haven't worn it. I had to open it, obviously. The YSL sale ended maybe a few weeks ago, or maybe it's still on, I don't know, but I only wanted one item. So this was not part of my wish list, and I actually got this before my wish list video. I can't even remember when I got it, but I think it was before this year started. So here's the Saint Laurent like envelope with like the receipt and stuff. I don't want to show my address, but it's just the receipt. Okay. What else is in here? So the receipt, a return label here. Then it just has thank you YSL.com. Thank you St. Laurent. Thank you from YSL.com. Okay. What else? So you can kind of tell what it is by now. It's obviously in a shoe box, so it is a pair of like summer appropriate shoes. And here is just a authenticity card on here. So it has this. It won't focus, but you get it. It says St. Laurent and it says authenticity card. I don't think these authenticity cards come with like a specific ID number, but whatever. And this is like the cure booklet, basically. Okay. This comes in a separate little envelope. Here is how the shoes come. I think I've only unwrapped one of them. So it comes so beautifully wrapped in all this black glorious tissue paper, and each shoe comes with its own dust bag, which I think when you're paying as much as we pay for these shoes, like, that's a necessity. Don't give me one dust bag. I need two. Thank you. So it's nicely wrapped in the dust bag. It's like a St. Laurent dust bag, right? And then here's the shoe. It's like a suede backing, and I do plan on spraying this with the suede protectant before I actually really start wearing them, because some of these scuffs are just for me trying them on once, and I don't want this St. Laurent part to come off, you know, after the first week or two of wearing them. But aren't they gorgeous? They have all this detailing. I think detailing, these are actually men's shoes, because as y'all know, I got big feet and I'm not ashamed. I ordered the men's shoes because they tend to come in wider, and these are called the Jimmy Slides. I'll put a link in the description below, and they are beautiful. They have this like dark studding in here, and also the back of here has like the grading, the track marks, and it has St. Laurent on there. Beautiful. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and let me know what you think of everything I talked about. Again, Ivy Park, great job. Looking forward to the next collection, and yeah, I think great things are to come. So anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'm going to be back on schedule next week. I'm going to keep doing this once a week. I actually really enjoy the topics that I've been talking about the last 5 months, and so yeah, lots of exciting things to come this year. I have a lot of updates, a lot of new stuff that I want to talk about, so stay tuned for that. Bye guys!